Hi, in today's episode we are going to be making a risotto, and not just any risotto, an amazing asparagus and mushroom. Stay tuned, you're going to want to see this. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Paulies Kitchen. My name is Paulie and this is my kitchen. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make a absolutely amazing asparagus and mushroom risotto for veganary. It's really delicious and there is no dairy or meat in this at all. So guys, if this is your first time here, do remember to like, comment, subscribe and hit that bell button so you do find out when I release my next video, which will be really soon. But on a serious note guys, if you haven't liked, comment or subscribed, please do. I'd be really grateful. Cheers. This is a really easy recipe to follow guys. You don't put any cream in there, however there is a substitute. It's called cashew nut milk and it's absolutely amazing. It's got a really good mouthfeel and tastes exactly like the real stuff. Speaking of ingredients, these are all the ingredients you will need to make this risotto. If you do miss these, I will be putting these in the info box below, so do check out down there and you'll catch them all down there. That is everything you will need. We're going to dive straight in and we're going to prepare our ingredients. First off, we're going to take our onion and we're going to cut this straight down the middle. We're going to take off both the ends, we're going to peel them, and then we're going to finely chop this. Now that we've finely chopped them, we're going to take our bowl and we're going to pop these into our bowl ready for cooking. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our mushrooms, we're just going to empty them out like that. Ooh, we've got a runaway one, and we're just going to roughly slice these up. Now these are all chopped up, let's place them back into their bowl. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to take our pepper. We're going to cut this straight down the middle. We're going to cut out the green bit. Nobody wants the green bit in there. Cut out as much as the white as we can and dice this up. So the next thing we need to do is we're going to take our asparagus and we're going to chop this asparagus up into about 1 to 2 centimetre pieces. Just take a bowl and put all of our asparagus into it. Now that all the veg is prepared, we're going to take our oil. And we're just going to pop this into our saucepan. So now we've got a tablespoon of oil in there, we're just going to pop our oil down there. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to take our lighter, we're going to light the front of our stove. Once that's nice and hot, we're going to take our onions and pop them in there like that. So we're going to cook our onions on a low heat until they look translucent or they look like this. We're going to take our rice and we're going to pour that into our saucepan. So now that the frying pan's nice and dry and all the oil has been absorbed into our risotto rice, what we're going to do, we're going to take our stock and we're going to pour a little bit of our vegan stock into our rice. Risottos are really easy to make. Like once all your liquid's absorbed, you just take a little bit more, you stir that through and you let that absorb into your rice. So now that we've got our rice started, we're going to move this across because we want it on a low heat and that's a really powerful flame. So we're just going to light this one. We're going to take a massive saucepan, we're going to put that on our lard ring, we're going to take our oil, I'm just going to pour a little bit in there like that. And we want to get this frying pan nice and hot. Make sure you keep an eye on your risotto from time to time and just add a little bit more stock as and when you need to. So now that our frying pan's nice and hot, we're going to take our mushrooms and we're going to pop these in there like that. I'm going to cook these over a really high heat. Make sure you keep an eye on your risotto. You don't want that burning at the bottom. Just remember to keep topping it up. As you can see, the mushrooms shrink quite a bit and they've got a lovely golden brown colour. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull these off. We're going to grab a plate, some kitchen towel, and we're just going to pop these on there. So we're going to turn the heat back on to our large saucepan. We're going to take a little bit of oil, not too much, and now we're going to take our asparagus and we're going to pop that into our frying pan. They won't take very long, especially as we've already cooked our mushrooms in this frying pan. It's really, really hot. So we're going to take another bowl lined with kitchen paper. We're going to wait until my asparagus goes bright green, which is like this, and then we're just going to take this out and we're just going to pop that into our bowl lined with kitchen paper. We've used all the stock up, so now's the time to start using our cashew nut milk. So we're just going to pour a little bit in there just like that. And what this will do is it will make it lovely and creamy. So the reason that I've cooked my mushrooms and my asparagus off separately is so I can control how long they've cooked, because if I was to put these in with the risotto, they'd all be soft and mushy and ugh, you don't want that. But this way they're going to be tender, they're going to be crunchy, your mushrooms aren't going to discolour the risotto rice, it's going to look absolutely incredible. So when your risotto starts to look like this, make sure you taste a little bit of it, and if it's a little bit chalky, it's not quite ready. There's just a hint of chalk in there, but it's probably only a couple of minutes away from being done. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our peppers, and we're going to pop our peppers in with our risotto rice, and we're going to stir those through. Now's also the time to put in your thyme. We're going to stir that all in. Let's give it another try quickly. Absolutely perfect. So now that it's all cooked, we're going to take our asparagus, and we're also going to take our mushrooms. I'm going to stir all of this in. It's going absolutely everywhere. I thought I was going to get away with the smaller saucepan. Doesn't look like I am. So we're going to season it. We're going to take our rat coolie thing, woo, and pop that there. Let's bring this across. So all I need to do now is to play it up. Let's move that across. We're going to take a nice sized bowl here, and we're just going to spoon a generous amount of our asparagus and mushroom risotto in here. So yeah guys, that's how you make an absolutely delicious asparagus and mushroom vegan risotto. And it's really creamy because the cashew nut milk has got a really creamy texture to it. It's absolutely delicious. So guys, do remember to like, comment, subscribe and hit that bell button so you do find out when I release the next video, which will be really soon. But in the meantime guys, happy cooking and I'll see you again soon. Take care, bye bye. Asparagus, and we're going to pop that into our, whoop, I'm going to throw half it on the floor. We're going to pop that into our frying pan.